So today, let's create something different. Let's make a weather app that is going to tell us the current weather conditions in Joburg. We're going to need a few things. We're going to use Axios. So Axios is a HTTPS library that's used in JavaScript to get or to post responses. Okay, I'll show you what I mean in a bit. And we're also going to use something called WTTS. I think it's a weather terminal response or something. It's used to get the current weather conditions. So it's perfect for what we're going to do today. So let's start. We're going to, like I said, we're going to use Axios. So I think it's Axios. Yes. So we're going to require this Axios to get the HTTPS response. And we're going to need our city. So our city, I said it's Johannesburg. So you can get any city you want, whether it's Cape Town, Joburg, KwaZulu-Natal, anything you want. Okay, so we're going to use an async function. Okay, async function. If you want, I can do a whole video dedicated on just functions, so you can really get to know how the async functions actually work and what's happening behind the scenes. Okay, so we're going to get the weather. Okay, so this is a function to actually get our HTTP response. Okay, so we're going to use it's a URL. So this is the HTTPS. Okay, there's a difference between HTTP and HTTPS. We're using WTTR, so we can get the current weather. Okay, so we're getting the current weather of our city, which is Johannesburg. Okay, and this is the format that we wanted on. I think it's plus. Okay, current time. Okay, I think that looks good. So now that we got our URL, let's try and get the response. Okay, so let's so we want to try and const response. So let's await Axios. So as you guys can see, I've installed a plugin for the error thing, because to show me where I'm making spelling mistakes. Okay, URL. Okay, so we're getting get adapter. No, we don't want to get adapter. Yeah, we want to get the app. So we're getting the URL. Okay. Okay, so got that, and now we're trying to console. So now we're printing out. I want to use backticks. It's today's weather in our city. Oh gosh. No. So in our city, and our response dot data. Okay, that looks good. So console.log. Okay, so you guys can see that I'm coding this in real time, so that's why I wanted you guys to see that this is what coding looks like. You're gonna make errors and you're gonna rectify it until you get the correct output that you're looking for. Okay, so we got our URL and we've now printed out what we want our thing to look like. So this is where we're going to catch the errors. Okay, so let's catch the error and it's console. So if there's any errors, we're going to print out that we could not fetch the weather data. Okay, show us the error message. Okay, now this is, there you go, that looks good. Okay, so now let's call our, so it's get weather. Okay. Okay, that looks good. Let's see what happens when we run it. Let's run this and see if there's any errors. Okay, we're having an error and our error says fet weather is not okay. That's, there we go. Get weather. Save this. Let's try it again. Clear. Okay. And there we go. Turns out that today's weather in Joburg is plus minus 20 degrees. And this is how you will, okay, this is like the basic way of getting today's weather conditions without using the APIs that require you to have the API keys and all those things. So yeah.